welcome back to Keeping Up with N and Empire. It's a girl Mara. Here on this channel we talk about skincare, beauty tips, fashion and lifestyle. So today I brought you a very fantastic product, which is the White Now Lotion and its oil. I'm going to tell you how to use this lotion. I'm going to tell you about the lotion and how effectively well to use this product. Before I make a review of any product, I must have either have used it, or I have a sister that have used it, or I have a friend. I must know someone that have used the product. I don't just make reviews. If I make a review about any product, you get that product and try it. You will find out that 100%, 99% of what I said is true about it. I must know a lotion I must have used or have someone that have used. I must really know 100% deal about a product before I make review about it. I don't just drop reviews. So what I gave is 100% review of a product. When you get it and try, you will understand that yes, she's really saying the truth. This is what it is. Okay, I don't remove, I don't add. I give you 100% about the product. So in case you get it, if you're planning to get the product, you know if that's what the kind of product you want to use, or if it's something else. Okay, here on this channel, that's what we discuss. We talk about good lotions and how to use it. So today we'll talk about White Now Lotion and the oil. Before we get into today's video, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to this channel. This channel, I'm going to be dropping it real hot. I'm going to be giving you 100% of whatever you're looking for in a product or beauty tips. It's going to be coming hot here on this channel. Consider subscribing to this channel and I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Now let's get into today's video, which is White Now Lotion. Okay, I'll read out the content, the write-up here. I'm gonna read that out. The super whitening lotion White Now is highly enriched with vitamin E and fruit acids derived from carrots, which remove all skin imperfection and impurities. The whitening action is reinforced up to 3 times with the help of plant acids. The effects of White Now are visible in 3 days. The complexion formula of White Now hydrates, nourishes the skin, reduce blackhead, reduce skin aging effect, and leave the skin clear, full of beauty and in good health. Yes, okay, now I'm gonna give you I'll say in my normal way, I'll give you the 2 good facts I like about this product, and I think the only thing I don't like is just one. So I'll be dropping 5 and 3 facts about this product. Number 1, if you're looking for a fast lightener, White Now lightens the skin very fast, but it gives a kind of tone. If you're the type that likes this yellow on the tone complexion, yellow on the tone, it gives this yellow skin tone, like yellow purple kind of tone. It gives yellow skin tone, and for the treating 3 days, it's true, you will notice lighter skin in 3 days. This lotion is acid based. This lotion is very acidic. Now if you have a sensitive skin, this lotion might react on you. It's acid based, very acidic. If you have a sensitive skin, I am telling you, it might react on you. Okay, the moisturizing fact of this lotion moisturizes the skin very well. This lotion glows the skin. Now I am telling you from personal observation. I used this lotion myself. I have tried out this lotion for 3 weeks now. Okay, it's, if you check it, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know, you can't see it, you won't see it from here. It's here now. The consistency is thick. See, it's really thick. That's how it looks. It's yellowish. Okay, it's yellowish and it's good. Now this lotion is very, very acidic, so if you have a sensitive skin, this lotion might react on you. So what I will advise, if you want to use this lotion, this is how you use it. Now this is the full 500 ml of White Now lotion. Let's say you bought this 500 ml. What you're supposed to do is, when you get it, you divide the lotion into two. Put 1 part in a container add like half of this boot rose water and glycerin boots. Rose water and glycerin, you add half to dilute it, to bring down the acidic effects. The glycerin in rose water, in this rose water and glycerin, traditional skincare, glycerin and rose water, the glycerin in it, the humectant in glycerin will help moisturize the skin, will help lock in moisture, will help hydrate your skin. And naturally the rose water and glycerin will help bring down the acidic content in it. Then in the half lotion, after you add this half of this rose water and glycerin to bring down the acidic effect of it and also make it a more better moisturizing lotion, you add one of this oil. There's the oil. Is an effective oil, and I would say use one. I would say use one for the full lotion. You won't really see that glow effect. If you want to really see the glow effect of this lotion, you want it to give you that glow, shiny skin, you have to add this one full oil into half of the lotion. The lotion is really thick, so when you add this full oil, you kind of liquidate it to be a little loose. Then half of the rose water and glycerin to bring down the acidic effects. Mix it thoroughly and use. And if you want this lotion to really glow your skin, like make your skin very glowy, I am assuring you in 1 week time your skin will be very, very poppy, like it will glow you and give you that yellow undertone. That's the tone it gives. It will give you that yellowish undertone. So if you're looking for yellow skin, I made a video about pure carrot lotion. That lotion lightens the skin, evens out the skin, but it's a bit drying. This one doesn't dry out the skin. This one, if with the oil and this glycerin, if you mix it the way I just described, it will give you this yellowish, yellow purple skin tone, and it will give you a well moisturized skin, and your skin will really glow. It will glow your skin well, I am assuring you. And if you want it to really, the result to really be that beautiful, you want the result, that popping, clear result, make sure you get an exfoliating scrub, and make sure you get any good body wash, carrot body wash. The body wash you must use with this has to be carrot based liquid body wash. Get a, because the lotion is from fruits, is a mixed fruit lotion, fruit acid lotion. So if you get a very good body wash, carrot based body wash, and use with this the way I described it here, you will get a good result. Okay, half of the rose water and one full oil and half of the lotion, then you get an effective, just get any very good carrot body wash, carrot based body wash. There are too many of them. There's carrot glow. There are too many. When you go to a shop, a beauty supply, supermarket, there are many carrot body wash. Just get one carrot body wash, mix it this way, get a good scrub. I'm telling you and I'm promising you, in 1 week time your skin is going to look very beautiful. You're going to achieve this very glowy skin. The only not too good about this lotion is just that the acidic content is high. It's very, very acidic, and that's the reason why you have to add half of the glycerin and rose water, traditional glycerin and rose water, half of it into your lotion, and one of this oil in the half lotion, and you will get a good result. And get a good carrot body wash, carrot based body wash, and a good scrub. Scrub your skin 2 to 3 times a week. Use your shower gel, your carrot shower gel every day, morning and night, and this lotion, mix it that way. Oh my god, in a week's time you understand, your skin is gonna come out very beautiful to glow you and give you this yellowish undertone. If you don't like the yellowish undertone, then this is not for you, because that's the kind of tone it gives. It gives this yellowish undertone. Okay, is the fact about it is a good lightener. It lightens the skin well, it moisturizes the skin well, it glows the skin well. The only little turn off I have about it is that the acidic content is high, and that's why you have to dilute with the rose water and the oil, the White Now oil. These are what you're gonna mix. These two, White Now oil, glycerin, half of it, and half of your lotion. Then get a good carrot based body wash. You'll come back here and thank me. Okay, that will be all for today's video. I really appreciate you all. I thank you so much. I appreciate you for watching my videos. I'll be making good reviews here I'll be dropping another hot topic on Sunday. Don't miss out. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out each time I drop a video. I appreciate you all. Please comment below on the kind of video you want to see next. If there's a product you want me to review or there's a topic you want me to talk about, please comment below and I will do that. I will make a video regarding what you want. Comment below what you want to see next and I'll be making a video regarding that, and another video will be dropping on Sunday. Subscribe so you don't miss out on the hot tips I'm gonna be dropping here. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you all. I appreciate you all. God bless you.